In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your dual radiator and condenser fan assembly in your Nissan Altima, located in the engine bay. Remove the two 10 mils on the airbox shroud. Push it into the airbox and pull it out. Put this to the side. Remove the two 10 mils off the radiator hose brackets. Slide those out of the way. Remove the two connectors on the fan assembly. I'm just using a pry tool, push down on the clip. Push in on this tab to unlock here, and then pull the connector out. Do the same thing on the other one. Remove the harness clip on the passenger side using a trim tool. And get that up and out of your way a little bit. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt on the fan assembly. Do the same on the driver's side. This one's located right in front of the ECM. Remove the fan assembly. Tilt it back towards the engine and lift up. Install your new fan assembly. Reinstall the 10mm fan assembly bolts. Start them by hand. And then we'll snug them down. Reinstall the connectors into your fans. You'll hear a click when they're fully seated in. Reinstall the harness connector on the passenger side. Grab your radiator hose brackets, pull them back to where they were. Install your 10mm bolts. And then we'll snug those down. Reinstall the airbox shroud. Push it into the airbox. Then put it into place. Reinstall your 10mm bolts. Snug those down. And that's all.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.